So today guys, we're going to make our go-to matcha drink. Since mahilig ako sa matcha since 2015, wala nang kuda-kuda. Let's do it. Standard kasi neto guys ay 3. Pero ako ginagawa kong 4 para medyo matapang-tapang siya dahil yun ang gusto ko. Gusto goes matcha. So 4 grams of matcha. 3, 4. There. 20, my bad. You see tayo? Healthy-healthyhan tayo. Monk fruit na sweetener. But usually, I use condensed or honey. Hindi nga honey ang inilagay ng babaeng to. 1, 2. Yeah. Looks good. Wait lang. Okay, 40 ml of all-purpose creamer. 10 ml ng milk. So, tatansahin na lang natin, guys. 0.8. Isa pa. Okay. Another monk fruit for our cold foam. Okay na yan. Ready na ang ating mga mixture. Alright, so we have our ice na. 100 ml of our full cream milk. Depende sa inyo guys. Ako na-try ko na oat, na-try ko na almond. It works naman. Sarap naman siya. 9, 10. We're going to pour our drink na. Here we go. Whee! And here's our matcha. There it is.